Lesson number 9, 1.9 Writing Skills. What is a picture composition? Describing a picture with meaningful sentences. Means, we'll build sentences from the given picture. Look at this picture. From this picture, we'll write some sentences. There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the tree. Now look at this picture. We'll build the sentences from this picture also. Bhaurav is a farmer. He has a small farm. His wife and daughter help him in the farm. He has one cow and 2 goats in his farm. Crops are growing in his farm. His daughter is feeding the goat. His farm has a fencing. Bhaurav is a happy farmer. Now, you take some pictures from the books or newspaper and try to build such sentences.